Hello my dear student, Algebra lecture number 6. In this lecture I am going to explain you some other method, that is determinant method or Cramer's rule to solve the simultaneous equation in two variables. Okay. Now first you have to understand what is determinant. Okay. Now in two vertical lines there are some numbers. Okay, these numbers are called elements arranged in this way. Okay, a b c d. So ab is one row, cd is second row. Similarly ac and bd, these are what, two columns. So this placing is called determinant. Okay, so AB and CD are rows, AC and BD are columns. Now degree of determinant is 2 here because there are two elements, 1 2, two elements in each row, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and there are two elements in each row and two elements in each column, and therefore degree of this determinant is 2. Okay, now this here you try to understand this much only. Okay, now then determinant represents a number. What is that number? So which is equal to AD, A into D minus B into C, whatever value, that is the number which is what represented by determinant. Okay, so determinant are generally denoted by capital letters as A, B, C, D and so on. For example, a, determinant A is equal to, now these are what, two vertical lines, 5 3 7 9 are what number, this is called elements. Okay, now to find the value of this determinant, this 5 into 9 minus 3 into 7, so 5 into 9 is 45 minus 3 into 7 21, 45 minus 21 gives you 24. So this is the value of this determinant. Okay, for example, suppose n is a determinant. Now these two vertical lines, in between them there are what, rows, one row, two row, one column, second column. Okay, now elements are minus 8 minus 3 2 4. Then if you want to find the value of this determinant, this into this, minus 8 into 4 minus 3 into 2. One thing you remember, when negative elements are there, then you try to put in the bracket. Okay, now in this way, minus 8 into 4 bracket close minus 3 into 2. Minus 8 into 4 gives you minus 32 minus 3 into 2 gives you minus 6. Then you simplify this bracket, minus 32, open this bracket, minus 32 plus, why it is plus? Because this sign is negative. If the negative sign is outside the bracket, change the sign inside bracket. Okay, so this is minus 32, this plus 6 gives you minus 26. Okay, so this is the value of what, this determinant. Okay, is it clear? Then Cramer's rule, Cramer's method to solve simultaneous equation. Now if you want to solve simultaneous equation by this method, then there are some conditions that you try to understand. First step is this: write given equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c, not equal to 0. Ax plus by is equal to c, constant term should be on this side. Okay, in this way write down first equation. And then second condition is this: find the value of determinant. Then you find the value of determinant, these three determinants, d, dx and dy. Okay, and then what you use this formula, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So I will explain you what is d, what is dx and what is dy. Okay, now consider equation a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So these are what two linear equation in two variables. Now to find d, so d means determinant is equal to two vertical lines, and write down in this way, rows in this way. Always about write down equation below each other so that you can what easily find this row and column. Okay, now then a1 b1 is first row, a2 b2 is second row. Obviously a1 a2, this is column, b1 b2 column. Okay, now in this way you write down your rows, so then and find the value of this, you will get d. Now to find dx, now in this case you find, if you want to find dx x, so concentrate over x. So in this case you replace the what values of x, the coefficient of x, by what constant term. So this is what a1 and a2 is a coefficient of x, replace that by what constant c1 c2, and b1 b2 you write down as it is. Okay, and find the value of this, gives you what dx. Similarly, if you want to find dy, then remember y, here concentrate on what y, replace the value of coefficient of y by constant term, means a1 a2 you write down as it is, but for b1 and b2 you write down c1 c2, and then you find the value of this determinant and use what your formula, so that you will get what solution. Okay, for example, solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Okay, now the equation is given in this way, 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11 and 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. Okay, now solution. First you write down equation in the form. Okay, now the word here, the in the form it is given, so write down equation below each other. Okay, so in this way 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11, 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. Okay, then start finding dx and dy. So d is equal to 5 3 2 4. This is important. If you get d properly now, then dx and dy is what easy. So d 5 3 2 4, find the value of this, 5 into 4, 5 into 4 minus 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 5 into 4 20 minus 6 gives you 14. Is it clear? Then next dx. Now dx, here you replace, for what x you replace constant terms, minus 11 3 minus 10 4, find the value of this, and remember this, these are what negative elements are there, and there you put what into bracket. So minus 11 into 4 minus 3 into minus 10, minus 11 into 4 gives you minus 44, and 3 minus 10 gives you minus 30. This is negative here, so change the sign, plus 30 gives you minus 14. Is it clear? Similarly, find the value of dy. dy is equal to 5 2 you write down as it is, y you replace, the coefficient of y you replace by constant term, minus 11 minus 10. So and find the value of this. So 5 into minus 10 minus, into bracket write down minus 11 into 2. So minus into minus 10 gives you minus 50, and minus 11 into 2 gives you minus 22, outside negative, therefore change sign, plus 22. So minus 50 plus 22 gives you minus 28. Okay, now in this way you have d dx dy, then use what, simply your formula. Now x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So x is equal to minus 14 upon 14 gives you minus 1, and minus 28 upon 14 gives you minus 2, and hence your solution is xy is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. Okay, so this is what very easy method, only mechanism is there you concentrate. Okay, now it is enough today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question put in your comment box. Thank you. Take care.